Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we are going to be completing a paper called Domino Addition. And I want you to watch the video and follow along. If you want to just use a sheet of paper and follow along, that is fine, because I think it's a little hard to follow along the video and complete the assignment in Cami. I don't think both can be done at the same time, and I apologize for that confusion earlier. I will talk to you about how the pages are done. I do need you to know that side B will be completed for a grade, and that there are several students in this classroom that have not done their graded assignments. You've done some of the lessons, and you've turned in and let me know that you watched the lessons, and I love that, but you can't get any points or any grades in the classroom if you are not turning in work for me, and I don't want you to have any zeros. Also, know that I'm using this information to help update your goals and your progress to parents, and I don't want to have to put on there that we didn't address it simply because we weren't getting our work done. So if you have any questions, there's a little bar at the bottom where you can message me with your questions, and I will message you back. And if you would rather see me in person and ask me your questions, or if mom or dad would like to do that, please come see me during my office hours from 8 to 9. And that's also in the assignments. You can go into classwork and touch on that and just hit the little movie projector, and it will take you right to my meeting. I'm also available from 1 to 2, and I'm there for you to answer questions and help make this process easier. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna click on the assignment. We're gonna open it with Cami, and I want you to see something about the assignment. I'm gonna zoom in. Well, no, I'm not. I want you to notice that there's 2 side A's, but that's because it's one of those little assignments. You remember how we've cut some of them apart before? Well, because I'm not with you to cut on the dotted line, we are not going to do but only the top part of side A. And then you are going to do the top part of side B, and you're going to submit that to me for a grade. Okay? So let's zoom in. Today, we are thinking about making 10. I want you to remember that we've got 10 fingers that we are going to use to help us know, if I have some dots, how many more make 10. And then I'm going to write a matching number sentence in the box. So let's choose a drawing tool. So notice over in the first domino, they had 2. And so they put 2 fingers on their hands and said, well, if I have 2, how many more do I need? And they said 5, 6, 7, 8. And so they drew 8 dots, and they wrote 10 is the same as 2 plus 8. Remember how in the lesson yesterday we talked about that the equal sign does not mean the answer comes after it, but it means that both sides are the same. So let's look at the second domino. 4, so I'm going to put 4 fingers up. I want to know how many more dots make 10. I've got 5, 6. So I'm going to come over here. Mrs. Fuson's got fat fingers. Let's see if we can't zoom in on this and try to do that a little bit better. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And boys and girls, they don't have to be perfect at all. So I'm going to write 10 equals 4 plus 6. Now, if you write 4 plus 6 equals 10, it is not wrong. It is the same thing. Does that make sense? All right, let's do 6 fingers. So if I have 6 fingers up, how many more make 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, those 2 go together, don't they? So if I have 4 fingers up, I need 6 more. But if I have 6 fingers up, I only need 4 more. So 10 is the same as 6 plus 4. Nice job. All right, let's look at the bottom. I'm going to just zoom up a little bit. So we've got 7. So I want you to put up 7 fingers. How many more make 10? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to draw 3 dots. And I'm going to write 10 is the same as 7 plus 3. All right, let's look at the next domino. Wow, this one only has 1 dot, 1 finger. How many more make 10? I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fingers that are down. So I'm going to make that. I'm going to really zoom in on this because I've got big fingers. And I want to make sure I can get all my dots in. There we go. There are 9 dots, boys and girls. And I'm going to write 10 is the same as 1 plus 9. Now let's look at the last domino together. 10 fingers up. How many more make 10? Well, if all 10 fingers are up, I need 0 more. So I'm going to leave it blank. I'm not going to write 0 in there, but I'm going to write 10 is the same as 10 plus 0. That was very good. I hope you remembered how to use your fingers. You probably didn't even need me today, but I wanted to do it just in case. Now remember, after the dotted line, we are not doing side A again. It is the very same thing we just did. But you are going to scroll down and you are going to do side B. I want to know if we're making 10 in all. If you've got this many, you're going to show me that on your fingers and then see how many are down, and you're going to write me a number sentence. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.